Shreveport native Christopher Dooley, aka Hurricane Chris, is back in court for day 5 of his murder trial today. Dooley, a 34-year-old Shreveport rapper who goes by the name Hurricane Chris, and 32-year-old Danzaria Ferris Jr. were seen having an exchange at the Texaco gas station in the 2600 block of Hollywood Avenue a day back in June of 2020. A recent witness who testified is the ex-girlfriend of Dooley. She states her name was on the title for the silver Mercedes in the incident. Dooley is being charged with second-degree murder and illegal possession of stolen things, which is related to that car. She also stated she did not disagree when asked did she and Dooley plan a life together. She moved in with Dooley after visiting him in Dallas for the first time. After an alleged falling out during a trip to California, she says she knew their 3-month relationship was coming to a close, so she attempted to get the car she had her name on the title for back from Dallas. The car, she says, was gone. She also stated that she filed a police report with Dallas PD. The report did not include Dooley's name, according to her testimony today, but she did give police the address of his child's mother in Frisco, Texas, and told police that Dooley may have the vehicle. She also says when Dooley reached out to her initially, she didn't know who he was, but recognized him after some light research. More new details. We now know Danzaria Ferris was dropped off at that Texaco. A former Shreveport detective took the stand and analyzed footage from the Texaco that night. In that footage, we saw Ferris open the car door, Dooley with the handgun, and about 2 minutes later, Ferris was shot and fell to the ground. During that testimony and the footage being played, we did see one woman leave the courtroom in tears, as well as Ferris's mother and brother, both in tears. About 3 people walked past Ferris bleeding on the ground before a witness called 911 for help. Dooley passed Ferris on the ground more than 4 times, entering the gas station multiple times before finally getting in his vehicle and then leaving. When Shreveport police arrived on the scene, Dooley returned and turned himself into officers, saying his unloaded handgun was in the vehicle.